Working in manufacturing at StarFish Medical is really fun. You get to work with a lot of experts, building really fun things and really delighting our customers and adding value to their businesses. The ideal people for my department are creative, they think outside the box a lot, and they're curious. They want to know what all these products are about, and they're collaborative. They really like to work with their coworkers to solve problems. I've worked at StarFish Medical for 3 years, and recently I was promoted to the Director of Manufacturing. One of the first things I did was sit down with every staff member and ask them what they wanted to see changed. We all decided together that optimizing our systems to better serve our clients through adding value to their companies was the way we wanted to go.
My name is Alan Isaac. I work for StarFish Medical as an assembly technician in manufacturing department. Working in manufacturing department, actually, it's quite challenging. You get to know all the aspect of the project, starting from alpha phase and also moving after it's transferred to manufacturing when it's released. You get to know all the overlooked aspect of the product. For example, when you're assembling something on CAD software, it's not as the same as when you do it in an actual product itself. So that brings up the connection between the manufacturing team and also product development team, and give feedbacks on those builds and all those issues